Hello everyone, I welcome you all on Tech Insight. So here you're gonna find information regarding IT jobs, IT news, programming languages, interview questions and much more. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you guys? So today's first job is from Zeta. They are hiring for software development internship that is for 2021 pass out. Here is the apply button. There are few of the locations that they have mentioned is Mumbai, Bangalore. Moving on towards the job details, who should apply for this job? Student graduating in the year 2021 gonna apply for this job, and the skills they are demanding is Java, C Sharp, and most of the skills they have mentioned it over here. These are the bonus point which you can read by pausing this video. And if you are going to graduate in 2021, you can apply for this job. Share this video with maximum of your friends who are looking for the job. Now the next job is from Mutual Mobile. They are hiring for full stack developer, and the experience range is 0 to 1 years, and the package is also very good, that is 5 to 8 lakh per annum. Location is specifically Hyderabad. It is being organized through MCAT, and here is the apply button. Moving on towards the job details, the target batch is 19-2020. Probation period is 3 to 6 months. During training, you're gonna get 10,000 to 40,000 per month. After training period, you're gonna get 5 to 8 lakhs per annum depending on the performance during training. So the qualification requirement is experience with HTML5, CSS 3, JavaScript, jQuery is a plus, knowledge of HTML, JavaScript, CSS, knowledge of React.js, Node.js, etc. And if a skill matches the requirement, definitely go and apply for this job. All these links will be in the description. Guys, if you like these kind of job videos, kindly give it a thumbs up. It really motivates me. Now the another job is from Etherna Health. They are hiring for associate member of technical staff. Here is the apply button, and here is the apply button from LinkedIn. So their job requirement is you should have knowledge in C Sharp, C++, Perl, Python, and you should have 0 to 2 years of experience in any of the bachelor's degree. Knowledge in big data, SQL, NoSQL, RESTful API, HTML5, etc. So if you are having some experience or if you are a fresher, also you can apply for this job. Moving on to the other job, it is from Elitmus. They are hiring for business associate, and the package is very good, that is 5 lakh per annum, and it is completely for the freshers 2020. Here you can read all these details by pausing the video. So some of the skills that they have mentioned is 2020 batch, great academics. This is the round 1 where you will have 3 tests. Be ready for the questions like one of the tests below. You can read all this information here, which includes puzzle question and etc. And you have to log into this button in order to apply for this job. And during the internship period, you're gonna get stipend of 15,000 per month. After that, you would be getting 20,000 per month. So that means immediate joiners will get 15,000 per month, and once you're gonna come to the office, you will get 20,000 per month. And this is a 3-month internship. If your skill matches the requirement, definitely go and apply for this job. Now the next job is from Geo Careers. That is a graduate engineer trainee post, and the post of job is 15 November. It is in engineering and technology. Location is completely specifically Mumbai, and you should have knowledge of 2G, 3G, 4G upgrades. It is completely a network job where you can find all this information by pausing the video and you can read it. So engineers can also apply for this job. So skill and competency include 4G, 3G, 2G, knowledge of network deployment, communication skills, written and verbal, analytical skills, team player, business acumen. You can apply for this job by clicking on this apply button. Share this video with maximum of your friends who are looking for the job. It will be a great help for them. Now the next job is from Expedia Group. I don't know why this website is haven't loaded very nicely, but I can read all this information such as associate software development engineer, and the location is Bangalore, and their requirement is PS plus engineers degree in computer science or a similar field, 0 to 1 years of software development experience, proficiency in JVM, Java and Scala. And if your skill matches the requirement, you can apply for this job as it is completely for the Java background person. If your skill matches the requirement, definitely go and apply for the job, as it is a product based company. You're gonna get good exposure to the Java language and also for the machine learning, data science and cloud computing. Now the next job is from Naukri.com, and the company name is Cloud Stash Technology Private Limited. It is an intern job, that is a database admin intern. And here is some of the information that they have mentioned is performance and goal oriented individual who are highly driven to be focused. So guys, if you are interested to go towards the database side, or if you like SQL and all these databases, you should apply for the job. You will get a good exposure in this intern job. So that's all for today guys. If you are liking this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. It really motivates me. I thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.